I bought and tested 3 of Amazon's most popular knife sets, so you don't have to, and you can make a better buying decision. I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like. They are all very similar. Obviously, they are all knives, and don't worry, I'm not going to say, oh, this has 6, this has this. I'm actually going to go through what is actually different with these. They are all very, very similar, but there are some definite differences that you're going to decide which one is going to be the best one for you. We got a 21 piece set over here. We got a 15 set right over here. And then we got a 6 set right over here. We're gonna jump in. I'm gonna go one by one. We're gonna cut all this stuff down here so you can see exactly how it works on a potato, pepperoni, carrots, all that kind of stuff. The pepperoni is kind of like that harder meat that's super annoying, and I really like how these knives handle that. So let's run through the 21 piece set first, and then we'll kind of go through. So we're gonna get a chef knife right over here. What you should know about all of these knives, there are 3 things. One, they're all dishwasher safe. My dad is a chef, so we don't put knives in the dishwasher, but you can if you want to. All of these blocks right over here have holes in the bottom. So you'll notice there's little holes right over there. That is to help if you put a knife away wet, and the water will go down and go out the bottom right over there. I don't know, don't put your knives away wet, but if you happen to do, don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. And all of these are stainless steel, are rust proof, and we'll go over the handles and stuff. So we got a chef's knife right away in this one right over here. We got this nice 7.5 inch sunken knife right over there. We got right over here the slicing knife. This one is 8 inches. Everything is labeled for you as well if you wanted that. We got a bread knife right over here. We're gonna run through these quick because I want to show you how they cut. We got a nice peeling knife right over here. We got the utility knife right over there. Just keep going here. We got 8 steak knives down there. We have a boning knife. We have a paring knife over here. And then we have our cheese knife right over here. So you got the nice serrated, the nice pokers up there. So you could get that going. And then you have a pair of scissors and a pair of kitchen shears right over here. The kitchen shears are really, really nice. And then we have 8 steak knives that are serrated down over there. Like I said, these are rust proof. They have the black coating. There's also a knife sharpener right off the back of this right over here. So it's really easy. You don't have to waste that spot with that stupid bar and go back and forth like that. You have this right over here. So that's kind of the 21. We're gonna put the chef knives head to head down here in just a little bit. Let's go to their 15 guy next. So this is this one right here. This is a wooden block as well. These handles are plastic. For this one right over here, we got your slicing knife, 8 inches. We got this is a serrated knife kind of up over here. This is 7.5 inches. This guy right over here is gonna be our big boy, the chef knife, 8 inches. We got the pair of scissors right over here. We got our knife sharpener off the back right over here. We got a bread knife right over here. And then we have our utility knife and a paring knife. Super solid on this one. This one also has the holes in the bottom, and you have some nice rubbery grips down there, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, in this one right here, last but not least, this is our 6-piece one. You're like, there's 5 things here. They count this as a piece. This piece is plastic. It does have the holes in the bottom as well. You're gonna get a pair of scissors in there. We got this nice little butcher knife right over here, like a little block knife. This is the only set that has this one right over here. We have this 8-inch slicing knife. We have this is our chef knife right over here. This chef knife is gonna be different from these other 2. And we'll get into that in a second. And then our utility knife right over here. With this one, there's not a designated slot for everything, meaning you could put the knives wherever you want. It doesn't really matter. The scissors do have to go here, but it doesn't really matter where you put these. Let's put these chef knives head to head, and then we'll kind of get over a head to head which knife set is gonna be the best for you. Or these are also very giftable. They come in nice boxes. So let's get our chef knives out right over here. So this is gonna be from, this is our slicing knife, my bad. This one right over here. Get mixed up right over here. So this is gonna be from this one right over here. So this is from the 21 piece. This is gonna be from your 15, and this guy right here is gonna be from your 6. So right off the bat, you're gonna notice a couple things about these knives right over here. The handles are going to be different on each one of them. So I don't really have a preference for the handles. They are all plastic. This handle just looks a little different. These are super comfortable, these handles right over here. You'll also notice the chef knives are different. So in the 21 piece, that has the biggest blade out of all of these. The 15 is the next, and then you could see right over here, this guy right over here in the 6 piece has the smallest blade. Now, in terms of sharpness, we're just gonna use the 21. Slices really easily, they're really nice. Same with this one right over here, just super easy to do and use. I would say this one, you know, it's good, but you could definitely tell the difference with the blades right over here is like, it's much easier to slice. In terms of like a potato, you can get it like nice and thin if you wanted to do that, or if you wanted like that full slice right over there. In terms of carrots, really easy to do. I never worry about it going everywhere. So that's kind of like the head-to-head on the chef knives right over there. Now, what set is going to be best for you based on your situation? I think if you want all the bells and whistles, the 21 set is going to be for you. This one is the only one that has the peeling knife, it has the cheese knife, it has your boning knife. So if you do a lot of butchering, the boning knife is going to be coming clean, especially, and these shears as well if you do a lot of butchering, because you just cut stuff up, super easy. You get 8 steak knives. I would say if you're kind of just like, I don't need all this, and I need more than 6, I would say the 15 is going to be for you. Solid, again, the wooden blocks right over here. You get a bunch of different, you got a nice variety of knives with this one right over here, and you have the shears, the knife sharpener, 6 steak knives there. I think this is kind of like the happy medium between the two. And I'd say this guy right over here is going to be great if you're tight on space. Maybe you have an RV, maybe you have an Airbnb or something, and you just want to give the people some knives to use, and you don't want to buy them a big set like this. You can't really go wrong with either one of these knives. I'm just very happy, very impressed. Like I said, I've been using knives a lot of my life cooking, and this company did a great job with all of these. It just really depends on what set you want to do. We'll put this set in our kitchen. This will probably go to like an Airbnb or something, and this guy will give away to someone. But can't go wrong with either one of these. I hope you find the right knife set for you. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up.